How to stop ads on Chrome browser. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Google Chrome and then click on the three dots at the top right, then click on settings. And here you need to scroll down to the advanced section and click on site settings. And now you need to scroll down to ads. As you can see, ads are allowed. What you need to do is you need to click on the toggle next to them to turn them off. And as you can see, this will block ads on sites that show intrusive or misleading ads. And also you need to go to pop-ups and redirects and turn off the toggle next to them. And this will block sites from showing pop-ups and redirects, which are usually ads. And as you can see, it's recommended to turn them off. So that was it for this video. That's how you can block and disable ads on Google Chrome. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next time.